The funeral of the headman of Mawlai Phudmawri, late SYLVESTER KURBAH, who passed away on 24th September 2021 after a brief illness, was held on Sunday, 26 September, where his mortal remains were laid to rest at the Mawlai Phudmawri Catholic Cemetery. Before the funeral, a service at the late headman's residence was conducted by Father Paul Olincott in the presence of church members, family and friends of late SYLVESTER KURBAH, leaders of the Seng Samla Mawlai Phulun and various organizations. The secretary of the Seng Samla Mawlai Phulun said that the demise of late SYLVESTER KURBAH is a great loss not only to the family and the entire Mawlai locality but to society in general. The general secretary of the organization added that Ba'bes, as he is known to many, was an upright man who always stood for the truth and who had done many good deeds within his locality, especially with regards to uprooting anti-social elements from the locality.
Ingin haban buat ikut jenjat jeng babas. Kasih Phudmawri kalau dulu nak, ya riset berapak pelak, pelak bangkit. Kerana sekian bagi eksekutif komiti juga Shillong Phudmawri. Walau kita dulu nak hendak pindah untuk musim. Ingat sekian kita buat yang ini footstep kepada babas kurba ilalek nak petaka Shillong kejongki.
Unjuru, namas pakoy, agasiu try, unjupek. Titik, kumuramba Shillong. Bukan kita mendalam. Mulai Syania, kalau mulai nagenda korok kita dijam, kita mulai dan benar. Nah, kita tahu ada sulai ulawan beror, ada jika mulai pancen kita ada kemas pakoy. Tengah siapa na next step bahawa poi hi siapa jika menjaga pening.
May play badan bor boro milakhat yaiba SYLVESTER KURBAH na kanika partai siyang basa wan siyang no hajan jong mi serta mentang ibu ya kanika medjong ihaw ni ulom kentang kumbau Jesus Christ blay long do long pun ulayap handai da kabor la jong ulamipat ngingai scam ba unkersiw yaiba SYLVESTER siya ka jimipat jong kaburam bam jukut ringkat batu